Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyal and in today's video I'm gonna do a Bonkers Corner haul. Now I came across this brand while scrolling through Instagram, and I used to get so many advertisements regarding it, so I just wanted to give it a try, and I wanted to find an alternative for Urbanic, as I have been buying so much from Urbanic and I am just sick of it now. So I just wanted to see how their clothes are, how their material is and everything. So I'm gonna give all the details to you, so stay tuned. Okay, so I wanted to give you a few details regarding the Bonkers Corner. So they don't have an application from where you can buy it. They are available on Google Chrome only. Like, you need to search Bonkers Corner and on the top only you will get it, and there will be categories placed where you can choose your type of clothes. There are for women also and for men also, and in accessories also they have caps and mask and everything, so you can check it out that way. Okay, so it was my first time ordering from them, so I didn't buy much. I just bought a few products just to check and see if the products are really good or not. So I'm gonna show you one by one with all the details and my sizes and everything, so stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna talk about is this top, and this is the top which caught my eyes, and that's the reason why I scrolled Bonkers. So I totally love tie-dye t-shirts and everything. I am starting to like tie-dye a lot. So this is one of the tie-dye t-shirts and I just love how the way it looks. I also like two more colors in this. There was one lilac sort of a shade and one yellow shade, but I thought that I have lilac outfits a lot now, so I need to go with something neutral, so I chose this one, and I totally love this one. It's very comfortable, trust me, and the material wise it doesn't look that cheap at all. It's very stretchy material, and according to its price I think it is worth the money. The next is this polo top. I totally love the design of this. Okay, so I had also the blue color, the sky blue color in this top, but I already had the sky blue one. I had 2-3 outfits of the same color, so I thought to buy something that I don't have, similar shade, and I didn't have even one outfit of brown color, so I thought I just want to grab this one. I totally love the pattern of this. It's very comfortable, very soft from inside and out, so no doubt in the quality is the best. But my assumption was correct. Actually I always buy tops in the size extra small, but this time for this top particularly I chose the size small because I thought it might be a little bit tighter or smaller than what it shows in the picture. So I bought the small size and it is the perfect fit for me. And if I had bought extra small, it would have been very small for me. So I think you should also, according to your size, make an assumption if it will be very short or very long. According to that you have to see it. So this shorts I've personally ordered it for wearing it at home only, as I love wearing shorts at home. So I have ordered it for that purpose only. But I had ordered extra small, so I didn't expect it to be so small. I thought it will be a little bit bigger in the length, but it was quite small. It was lesser than the biker shorts. So for this also I will say that if you want the shorts, just order one size bigger, I think, from an original size. Then only I think it will fit perfect for you. So yes. Okay, so the material of the shorts is very soft. I have to say that their material is amazing of each and every cloth. So material wise the price is amazing for everything, but The issue is only about the size. It can be like quite shorter than you expect it to be. So accordingly, buy your stuff. Okay, so for this top, personally, I didn't like it much. Then I loved it in the pictures and everything. As it's like a normal spaghetti, only you can wear it. You can make it like a DIY of your own spaghetti too. So I didn't find it much attractive, of course. And it is backless, and I'm not a fan of backless at all. So I don't know, I didn't like it much. But if you love wearing such tank tops and all, then you should definitely go for it. But I don't think it's worth the money. Also, you can just wear your spaghetti and you're good to go. If you need that just same look, you can get it with the spaghetti also. So I didn't find it much different. I was disappointed with this one only. Otherwise, I love the entire selection and the products, how they turned out, everything. I just loved it. So yes, that was it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, press the bell icon, and I see you in the next video. Bye.